How to trade on Binance mobile app for beginners. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can trade on Binance as a beginner. You can simply get the Binance application from the Play Store, or you can head into binance.com on your web page and then log into your account. From the home page, you can select the buy crypto option. Now make sure you are verified to your account. If you're not verified, once you're logged in, you'll get the verify your KYC option and it'll take you to the pop-up page where it'll ask you to verify. In my case, I'm unable to verify here currently, but once you have verified, you can simply tap on buy crypto. Then you can select the preferred currency, that is EUR, USD or NGN or etc. Then you can choose the preferred payment method to be credit card or debit card. Enter the amount and choose the cryptocurrency. Similarly, if you want to sell, you can simply tap on sell, select the assets you want to sell, and go ahead and enter in other important details and sell it. So this is how you can trade on Binance mobile app for beginners. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you here, but hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.